Eid Mubarak. Today is the big Eid known as Eid Al Adha, where we sacrifice the sheep. And I'm here in Fez, and I want to go and see what the vibe is about and what it's like. I've experienced a bit already in the house, seeing the 3 sheep. Viewers' discretion advised. If you're a vegetarian, vegan, or sensitive to this kind of stuff, look away. Eid is a Muslim religious festival in which sheep are usually sacrificed to remember Abraham's will to sacrifice his son. It is a 3-day public holiday in Morocco, which I got to spend with a traditional Fezzi family who were hosting me at their Airbnb. After they sacrificed their 3 sheep, I went out to explore the empty streets of the Medina to see what it's really like. Traditionally, the first step is to take the sheep's heads out to a fire in the street and start the cooking procedures. So this is one of the rare times you'll see the Medina completely empty. It's surreal. I feel like I'm walking in history and time. There's a sheepskin everywhere you go, just lying on the floor, and it will be sent straight to the tanneries. This is their busiest time actually. They receive all the skin to make the leather. So, there's people here. I carried on my walk to reach the mosque and check in with Eid prayers. This road leads all the way to the most significant mosque of Fez. Al Qarawin Mosque is the first in town and is also used as an Islamic and cultural center. So now I've come to pray in Fez's oldest mosque, Qarawin. And it's really peaceful here. There's a lot of light coming in. It is the oldest functioning university in the world and hosted the brightest scholars of Moroccan history. After prayers, it was time to return to the house and cook up all the meats. The first meal is called douara, which is a stew of sheep's lung and stomach. On the barbecue side, it's boulfef, where chunks of liver are wrapped up in fat before being stabbed onto the skewers. And it's delicious. I love it. It's my favorite thing to have in the heat. And there's some cats. They want some of the action as well. Everywhere meat is being cooked now, so obviously smells like barbecue everywhere, and it attracts all the cats. So much smoke. So this is boulfef. Some nice meat there. Nice liver meat wrapped up in juicy fat, and we're gonna have this with some mint tea in a traditional riad in Fez with this wonderful family. All these meats are eaten with bread, salad, and of course fresh Moroccan mint tea. The next few days of Eid is a continuous gathering of family over barbecues and tagines, keeping the festive spirit high.